welcome. We finished process called meeting for today. We went over we voted on tasks which should be the topics we should discuss in this call and the priority for going forward. Most votes was getting the voting consensus, so we took that hard task at the start. We brought up some context from the previous sessions and getting the kind of a feeling of what it should be about. First exercise we went through is kind of figuring out all the perspectives we need to work on regarding the voting, and then we kind of placed it onto a process, like in which sequence we should work on discussions. Then we looked into the process build map, like the decision-making tree, and learned a bit about democratic consent, consultating, and avoidant voting model. Another few will be left to be learned at some later stage. And then finally, we did some brainstorming of what do we even need to vote for and what are the most important elements to vote to the next steps. And then we also have some homework for us. For 2 days, there will be voting from tomorrow, where you can put 3 votes on the top row where you think, where your intention is, like what should be the voting or decision-making option for approving governance framework document. And you put 3 votes to the ones you want the most, 2 votes to the second option, and 1 vote to the third option. And the same thing, same rules for the second row, but the topic is ambassador program proposal approval. And then we try also what happens if we just put 1 vote based on the model you've gone through. So if you open up the Miro board, you take this option that, okay, ambassador program proposal approval, is this decision urgent for you? And then based on this yes, no answer, you move where the arrow leads to. If it's urgent, does it impact a lot of numbers? You choose yes or no. Once you end up in one of these green boxes, this will be the choice. And if you disagree with the choice, heavily disagree with the choice, I guess then choose other. Then this concludes our process coiled session. See you in the next one.
Thanks, Tiba.